Good morning children. Welcome back to our online classes, class 3 EVS subject. This is the second video of lesson 1. Topic is living and non-living thing. Page number 170. 170. Please open your book and copy also. Children, do you know, last class, in previous class, we have discussed what is living things and what is non-living things. Okay, tell me what is living thing? The thing which have life. The thing, those have life, they are called living things. Example, plants, trees, animals, human beings. Next, what are called non-living things? Non-living things are lifeless. Okay, they don't have life, like table, chair, fan, pen, etc. Okay, so similarly, I told that day about the common features also. The common features of living and non-living things. Okay, do you remember that? Yes. First step, tell me. What are the common features of both living and non-living things? We have discussed that day. Tell me. The common features of both the living and non-living things are: number 1, they both have size. They both have size. Second, they both have shape. They both have shape. They both have size. They both have shape. Third, they both have weight. उनका भी वजन होता है. They both have weight. Next, fourth, they occupy space. They occupy space. And last is, they have made up of matter. कोई भी एक चीज से वो बने हैं, वो भी एक पदार्थ है. Okay? So these are the 5 common features of the living and non-living things. Now let's go to know about the characteristics of living things. I told that day that next class we are going to read about the characteristics of living things. So children, now ready to know the characteristics of living things. Okay? So what are the characteristics of living things? Means what quality they have, the living things have, that only their characteristics. So living things have the following characteristics which non-living things don't have. Okay, which living things have the qualities that non-living things don't. Okay, so that is only the characteristics of living things. And what are they, children? You know, living things need food. Living things need food. Okay, without food, living things can't live. Okay, living things can't live without the food. Huh? Okay, how many days you can stay without eating the food? Huh? 1 day, 2 day, 3 day? No. You, without eating food, we can't stay a day. Okay, we can't live more a day. Okay, more than a day. So living things need food. It is the main important characteristics of living thing. And what they need? Only food only they need, or what? No, not only food. They need food, water and air, like a plant. If we plant a small plant, okay, in our room, in our bedroom, okay, every time we are switch off the light and like that we are closing the door and we will go outside, and every day it is there inside the room only. It can grow? No. Why? Because it can't get the air, sun rays. Yes or no? So plants also need water, plants also need air, and plants also need sunlight. Okay, so like that बिकॉज प्लांट्स मेक देयर फूड, प्लांट्स मेक देयर फूड, वो अपना खाना बनाता है कैसे, एयर, वाटर एंड सनलाइट, तीनों चीज को मिला के। ओके, वो एक फोटोसिंथेसिस के प्रक्रिया से, फोटोसिंथेसिस के सिस्टम जो है उसी के थ्रू वो खाना बनाता है और अपने पूरे बॉडी को पहुंचाता है। सो ओके, सो वो आप लोग ऊपर क्लास में पढ़ोगे। बट अभी सिर्फ हम कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स के बारे में जानते हैं कि दे नीड फूड, वाटर एंड एयर टू लिव। बिकॉज ओके, क्लोज योर नोज। How much time you can say without breathing? Huh? We can't stay. Yes or no? So like that, more than 1 minute we can't say. We can't stay only. Okay, without breathing means we need air to live. Okay, we need water. How many days without water you can stay? Huh? No, we can't stay without water. We need water. Without food we can't stay, we can't live only. So it is the main characteristics, number one characteristics of living things are they need food, water and air to live. Second, living things grow. That day I told, yes or no? Living things grow. See here one example. What is this? This is a plant, small plant. When we plant the plants in a gamla, okay, in a bucket, what we will do? We have to give water. Okay, it need air also. Okay, it will need sunlight also. Yes or no? Then only it can prepare the food. Okay, it can prepare its food. Okay, and it will send to all parts of the body. Then only it can live. Okay, so living things can grow. See children, now there is a small plant. Okay, now after some day you will see it will grow, it will become big and it will become a tree. So what is this? Living things grow. And with the passage of time, it needed time to grow. Yesterday only we plant the plant, and today we will see how the same only, the size the same only this plant. How? No. With the passage of time only it will be grow. Okay. Suddenly they can't grow. Okay. It takes time. Now number one is they need food, air and water to live. Second thing is the living things grow with the passage of time. With the passage of time. Okay. Third thing, living things give birth. Living things give birth to young ones. They increase the number. Living things. See here, around you, so many hens, birds, cats, dogs are moving now. Hey, after some days, after some months, you look that so many small puppies are there with the dog. So many small kids are moving with their mummy hen. Yes or no? मुर्गी अंडा देता है, देती है कि नहीं मुर्गी? तो ये सब क्या है? They increase the number. Okay, that only they increase the number. They give birth. So it is also one important point that they give birth and they increase the number. Third point is this. Next, fourth point. Living things can feel, grow and die. Living things can feel. If I will beat you, then you will shout and you will start cry. मैं मुझे मारे. Why? You feel. Okay? If you feel, then only you will start crying, na? Yes or no? That only. Living things can feel. If I pinch the skin, I feel pain. What is this? That is only feelingness. So living things can feel, but if I will beat to the blackboard, I also feel, but the blackboard can't feel because it is a non-living thing and I am living thing. So I felt, but the blackboard don't. Okay, so that is only the characteristics of living things. So living things can feel, grow and die also. Living things फील करता है और वो ग्रो करता है और वो एक दिन बहुत बड़ा हो जाता है, उसके बाद एक दिन समय आने पर धीरे धीरे वो सूख भी जाता है, मुरझा भी जाता है. ओके, तो इसका मतलब क्या है, वो डाई भी होता है. ओके, नेक्स्ट, लिविंग थिंग्स कैन मूव फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. लिविंग थिंग्स कैन मूव फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. ओके, नाउ आल्सो आई एम मूविंग फ्रॉम हियर एंड देयर. यस और नो? Now also I am moving from here and there, but tree can't because it has no legs. Okay, it has no sense. Okay, but human being have the sense. Okay, so like that children. Now total 5 characteristics we have read. Okay, now let's see. Number 1, food, water and air they need to live. Okay, now second is they grow. Okay, the third is they give birth also to increase their number, and number 4 they move. Number 4 they move one place to another. Okay, next thing, number 5. Tell me children. You tell me now. They die also. They feel also. Okay, living things feel, living things die. Understood now 5 points? Now let's see briefly about these characteristics. First of all, we see the example. They move. Okay, how they move? They move one place to another. They runs, the jumps. You see the birds, you see the animals. Birds are flying in the sky. Birds are flying in the sky. Fish, they swim in the pond or in a river. The sunflower turns a face. Sunflower also turns the face towards the sun. In the morning time, towards the sun only the sunflower's face will be there. Next, in afternoon, and next in the evening, the sunflower face is opposite side. Okay, so like that, these are the examples of movement of living things. Okay, now next thing is living things grow. Now I told living things grow. See here the plant. Living things can grow. We all have seen plants growing into tree. As I told that one plant, if we plant today, after some days we will see that it will become a big tree, and it will start to give us the fruits, vegetables or. Next, it is growing and into an adult. Therefore, we can say all living things grow. Okay, animals do not grow after a particular age. एनिमल्स क्या होता है, एक पार्टिकुलर एज के बाद वो लोग नहीं बढ़ते हैं. जैसे आप ले लो किड्स, छोटा छोटा मुर्गी का बच्चा, हैन. ओके, वो छोटा रहता है, वो बड़ा हो जाता है, वो बढ़ने के बाद और थोड़ा बड़ा होता है क्या? नहीं. सो एनिमल्स कांट लिव इन ए मीन्स आफ्टर द पार्टिकुलर एज. ओके, बट प्लांट्स कंटिन्यू टू ग्रो थ्रू आउट देयर लाइफ. बट प्लांट्स कंटिन्यू होता है वो बढ़ने के लिए. कैसे बढ़ता है? वो जब बहुत बड़ा हो जाता है उसके बाद they have so many branches. In their branches only now they are growing again and again. Okay, so living things can grow. Okay, now living things need food and water. As I told, living things need food. They are making food with the help of sunlight, air and water. Like that, we are the human beings. We also need food and water to grow. All living things need food and gain energy and life. Yes or no? Similarly, plants are require water, air and sunlight. Yes or no? To prepare their own food. Already I have told. So it is the process which is called the photosynthesis. Already I told. Again I am repeating my point. Yes or no? That is called photosynthesis. Okay. Means photosynthesis is the process by which plants make their own food. Okay. With the sunlight, air and water. समझ में आया? तो प्लांट्स अपना खाना अपना ही बनाता है. सो लिविंग थिंग्स कैन फील. कैसे वो फील करता है? नाउ आई टोल्ड इफ आई पिंच टू यू देन यू कैन फील पेन. यस और नो? If I prick the needle to your hands, then you can feel pain. Yes or no? So because of our sense organ, because of our sense organs, okay, like skin, eyes, ears, tongue and nose. Similarly, if we touch the leaves, okay, or touch me not. Okay, if we touch the leaves of the plant, touch me not plants को आप लोग देखे होंगे, बाहर ऐसी रहता है ना, जाते जाते हमारा पैर लग जाता है, तो उसको हम क्या करते हैं, जैसे ही उसको छू देते हैं, जैसे ही उसको टच कर देते हैं, तो क्या होता है, वो पूरा मुरझा जाता है ना, उसका पत्ता सब जो लीव्स है ना वो पूरा क्लोज हो जाता है ना, इट विल बी श्रिंक. ओके, थस वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट ऑल लिविंग थिंग रेस्पॉन्ड हीट, लाइट, टच. यस और नो? तो उससे हमको क्या पता चलता है कि हर लिविंग थिंग्स, जो भी जिसके में भी जीवन है, ओके, जहाँ भी लाइफ है, वो लोग बिना टच को फील करते हैं. ओके, कुछ रेस्पॉन्ड करते हैं. वो एक एग्जाम्पल हुआ है ना, कुछ उसको रेस्पॉन्ड करते हैं कि ये गर्मी है ना, बहुत गर्मी में वो क्या होता है, पत्ता सब मुरझा जाता है विदाउट वाटर. यस और नो? इफ वी गिव देम वाटर देन इट विल बी frank. Yes or no? It will be happy. Yes or no? So like that only they also can feel. Means living things can feel. Okay. Now living things, they move over, they feel. Okay. Now we will read living things. More one point is reproduce. I told already, they give birth and they increase the number. So like that they have reproduce. Reproduce means what, children? All living things reproduce their own kind of increase. It means own kind of particular. The same animals or they have the plants, or even they are the animals. Okay, even they are human beings. Means they increase the number. Human beings give birth the babies. स्मॉल बच्चा होता है मानव का, इंसान का. यस और नो? दे गिव बर्थ. और कैट गिव बर्थ टू किटन्स. कैट के छोटे बच्चों को हम क्या बोलते हैं? किटन बोलते हैं. ऐसी डॉग गिव्स बर्थ टू पप्पी. ओके, सो लाइक दैट प्लांट्स आल्सो ग्रोइंग फ्रॉम द सीड्स. ओके, व्हेन प्लांट्स grow and become a big tree, that time they will start to give us the fruits, vegetables, flowers and all. So from these fruits only we get the seeds. Even when we plant these seeds in our on the soil, so then it will be grow and it will become a plants. Now last point is, children, living things die. How living things can die? Means it is the important characteristics of living things that living things can die. Living things die. When this happens, when it dies, the whole part and whole system of our body shattered. Means जब कोई जैसे आप लोग देखे होंगे बर्ड्स को, बाहर कोई बर्ड्स ऐसी रोड में जाते समय कौवा है ना, ऐसे क्रो सब ऐसे गिरे रहते हैं है ना. तो ये सब क्या है, जब डाई हो जाते हैं वो लोग, इफ दे विल डाई देन व्हाट दे बिकम, नथिंग दे आर डूइंग. यस और नो? नथिंग दे कैन डू because all the parts and all the system of our body shattered. Okay, if we die, then we often see that dead animals. We often see the dead animals around us. Okay. So living things grow old and die. Living things first give birth to a baby. Then it will become adult. Then it will become old. Afterwards it will die. So this various reason non-living things have no life. So they do not die. Okay. But non-living things have no life. So they can't die. Like that only it is there. Okay. So children, now briefly we have understood the characteristics of the living things and the common features of living and non-living things. Now children, we will see difference between these living and non-living things. See, now always I told that living things can grow, non-living things not. Living things can move, non-living things not. Living things can die, non-living things not. Living things can feel, non-living things do not feel. Living things give birth, non-living things do not give birth. Living things, air, water and food, they need to grow. Yes or no? They need food and water to live, but non-living things do not. These are the difference. Okay. So living things and non-living things are opposite things. So children, first today our lesson is complete. Okay, it is completed already, but I will give you one homework. Okay, how much you have understood in previous class also and today's class also? How much you have understood? If you have doubt, then you can call me and you can ask me, and you point what are the main things which you can't understand, that you point out. Okay, write in your paper or in your copy, and you read briefly that what is introduction, means what is living things and non-living things, what is the common features of both the living and non-living things, and what are the characteristics of living things, and what are the difference between these living and non-living things. Okay, briefly we read. I hope you easily understood. Okay. So, I will give you one homework that what are the common features, already I have given yesterday, okay, but today you have to write the characteristics of living things. You have to read and write in your copy that what are the characteristics of living things. Okay, today's homework. Characteristics of living things. Okay children,